Leaders I work with bear the pressure and responsibility for managing bottom-line performance and profitability, of course accomplished through the focused efforts of their employees. But the very best of these leaders, they recognize that employees can't really be managed at all. They must be led. A leader's ability and effectiveness in leading others ultimately is in direct correlation to the strength of connections established and relationships built. Unfortunately, when the pressure to perform builds and professional demands are the highest, too many would-be leaders, those who never really learned how to build relationships and leverage connections, they end up trying to manage people the same way they might manage other inanimate resources. Unfortunately, it simply doesn't work. The simple fact is this: organizations committed to training and equipping managers and high potential employees to lead ultimately possess the critical strategic advantage. When change comes knocking, when experienced employees retire, when unexpected crises arise, or even when the next great opportunity presents itself, helping prepare and equip organizations and individuals build their leadership strength, capability, and confidence for times like these, that's what I do. Having personally worked in manufacturing, banking, and various other nonprofit organizations, I felt the same kind of pressures to get a job done that you do. And I'll show you practical leadership concepts that work in the real world, each supported by examples, case studies, and stories, all mixed with a healthy measure of good humor, even fun along the way. The results? You can expect your organization and your leaders to understand what it takes to build impactful leadership relationships. They'll discover strategies for engaging, motivating, and communicating ever more effectively with their people. They'll be equipped to execute the responsibilities their personal leadership roles demand. And you have my guarantee on that. Together, we'll equip your greatest resource, your people, to be your organization's greatest strategic advantage.